So today we are going to explore 10 Canva hacks. So let's get started. So the first one is, if you go to the apps section here and search for font frame and go to the first one, okay, go to this one and then type anything like for text. If you type text and choose any image you want, okay, for example, I'm choosing this image. So this is the image of nature. So this picture will be inside the text, okay. If you want to change it to some other images, you can also do it. So this is the first hack, okay. Second hack is, if you paste any color palette on Canva, for example, I'm choosing this color palette, I'll screenshot this color palette and I'll paste it here, okay. And I will go with some designs, okay, pre templates. For example, I'll go with let's go with the first one, okay. Let's go with the first one. I will again paste that color palette here, and I can right click and do apply colors to page, and then it will change according to the color palette, and I can do it until I get the right palette. This also doesn't look good, then I can change it according, right click and apply to the colors, okay. This is the second hack. Third hack is, if you like some font, okay, for example, if I like this font but I can't bold it, I can't bold it, then what you can do is, you can go to the effect section and then you can choose a hollow effect. Sorry, you can choose the outline effect, okay, and then you can change the outline of the text like this, and this is now in a bold format, okay. This is for font. This is the third hack. And somewhere you can see a text which is like disappearing from top to bottom, bottom to top, side to left, left to right, right to left, some blah blah blah, okay. So let's do one thing, okay. This is the text, and we will slowly this text will slowly disappear, okay. As we go down, this text will slowly disappear. So for that, you have to copy this picture. First, let's do one thing, okay. Let's change its background to something like okay, let's do this, and text will also be according to okay, this one is not bad. Now we'll copy this and paste it here, again paste it, here, again paste it, put this here, again paste it, and I'll put this here. Now you have to make its transparency low. That's it. I'll make its transparency to 70. I'll make this to 60. I'll make this to 50. I'll make this to 40. Now text is 40. Now the text is disappearing slowly, and we can add a girl here. Let's add a girl, okay, like this girl, and I'll remove the background of this picture, and I'll in the font. The next hack is to outline this picture, okay. Let's do outlining for this picture. You have to click to the picture and then go to the edit section and then go with shadow and then do outline, and you can change the outline colors to white, black, red, anything you want. Isn't this cool? Now we are going for our next hack, which is gradient. Okay, for example, if you want to make this, don't want to make this in plain format, then you can go here and click to gradient, and you can mix two colors like here. Okay, for example, I'm going with red one and black. Okay, I know this is not good, but you can choose two colors you want and then go with the style you want. So this is for the gradient effect. Okay, and another hack is, this is the picture I chose from Canva. Okay, so this is the picture, like this is the real picture. Now we can expand this picture more. You have to click the photo, go to the edit section, and then look for magic expand. Then I'll choose the whole page. Okay, I'll choose the whole page and I'll click to expand. Now it will expand our pictures according to the size of the page. We need to wait. Okay, this is not that cool, but yeah, you have 4 variant for this. Okay, and it's still loading. I will do cancel. Okay, because it's taking too much time, but you learned. Okay, so the next one is, it's like kind of animation kind of thing. Okay, like this is Happy Holi, and I'll just copy this text and I'll paste it, and I'll go to the effect section and I'll do hollow effect. Okay, and now I'll make this and now I'm aligning the two text. Okay, I'll change the background to not this again, something else. Yes, like this. And if I go to the colors and to the videos, let's go with something splash. Happy Holi. I'll go with this, and I'll adjust it according to our page. Position. Okay, I will go to layers and then I'll make it in between of the text. Okay, and I'll play this. Sorry, it's not this. Let's go to this. So it's like this. It's like Happy Holi. Happy Holi. And our last hack is to animate something. Okay, for example, I want to animate this in this format. Okay, like this. Then I can click to animate and create an animation, and I have to now do like this. So this will be the animation. Okay, like this. We can even animate pictures. Like for example, I'll animate this picture. I'll go to the animate section and I'll again click to this, and I'll make my photo, not my photo, but this photo like this. Okay, so that's it for today's video. I hope you learned something from this video. I'll see you in the next one. Have a good day. Have a good day.